Hi, I'm Jessie Haliva from trendhungry.com. I'm here at Menagerie Boutique in Wayne, PA, and I'm showing you how to create a double strand pearl necklace. All you need is a pearl necklace and, if you prefer, a ribbon. There's a couple ways to achieve this look. First, take your string of pearls and double wrap it. That's all you need to do. Slip it on and you're done. But if you'd like to create a different look, you can always change up the length or add a ribbon. The easy way to add a ribbon is, again, fold your necklace, tie. You can create a bow, a knot, whatever you're looking for, whatever the look is you're trying to achieve. Throw it on, and you could always adjust it and even put the ribbon up front. I'm Jessie from trendhungry.com, and I just showed you how to create a double strand pearl necklace.